Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, bringing you episode 17, where we will be looking at question number 17 on the ongoing practice set. Today's topic is percentile DAX in Power BI desktop. And those of you who have not followed this series, I've also made a playlist. It will pop up here. You can check out the playlist, watch the all 16 episodes so that you are up to date with the latest questions that are coming in this exam. So, that being said, let's jump and see the question number 17. So, yeah, the question is you need to segment customers based on their total sales into high, medium, and low categories. The segmentation thresholds are dynamic and depend on the total sales distribution. You want to create a calculated column to reflect this. Which DAX formula should you use? So you have four options where four different DAX formulas are given. I'm going to pause the video here for let's say 20 seconds because it's about DAX and you can think which is the correct option and we'll see what's the solution. Your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it is option A, which is using the switch case and using percentile.inc DAX formula in order to divide the sales into three different segments: high, medium, and low. I will also show it to in the Power BI desktop as well, so don't you worry. Let's look at the overall explanation. This slides covers and talks about the percentile.inc formula, which calculates 90th percentile again for first option. You can go through this slide. You can pause the video here and understand why option A is correct. The next slide covers why other options are not correct. So again, these options uses different functions which are not relevant to what is being asked in the question. So yeah, you can pause this video here. You can see and understand this as well. Moving I have been leveraging Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst course from Udemy, and also now we look at the Microsoft Learn article on the function percentile.inc. Let's switch to the formula and see. So yeah, this is an article on percentile.inc function, which returns the kth percentile in the value range, where k is in range 0 to 1, right? So for example, the DAX is simple. Percentile.inc you have to type, and in bracket you have to provide the column name, and k is again in between 0 to 1. So for example, if you provide, k value of k is zero point 0.9, which means it will calculate the 90th percentile of the column, which depending on the values, right? So that is how a simple formula can calculate different percentile, and based on the switch function you can define them into different categories, like what is being asked in the question, like high, medium, and low, right? So that is on this article. Now let's switch to the Microsoft Power BI desktop. So I have this sales data where I have different columns like order ID, order number, sales, etc., status, month ID, year ID, etc. So now I want to calculate the percentile column based on the sales value. So what I will do, I will click on three dots. I will create new column. Let me call it percentile. Let me use the function switch, right? And I will type true here, comma, and let me put the value of sales here. So sales equal to sales is greater than or equal to percentile.inc. I will provide the column name, which is sales, and yes, and comma, point 0.9 calculates the 90th percentile. And now I will provide the category, which is high, right? Now I'll just copy and paste for other This is for 90th percentile, it will divide into high. And now let's say for 50th percentile, it will segregate them into medium depending on the sales. And let's say for rest, it's low. So yeah, this is done. Let's close the bracket. This is the percentile formula for calculated column. Use the function percentile.inc. Just click select. Let me show it to you in the table also. Let me click a table and drag sales here. Don't summarize, and just to show you the bifurcation. So yeah, that is how we can see low, medium, high. Right. Again, there are a lot of data. You can check. Let me. Yeah. Yeah. So again, it's high, medium, low. Depends on the percentile of the function, right? So this is one. If I convert it to the this one, not here. Let me just create a bar chart to show you. Let me click sales here and percentile. So what we'll do, it's bifurcate the percentiles into three brackets based on the sales. So we can easily say that, around this is very high. Around 2 crore sales is in the high percentile, 3 crore in low, and medium. Rest is in medium. That this is how we can use this percentile function. Depend on the data which is in numerical form. Numerical form. But so yeah, that's on this topic. Hope you have improved your understanding on this DAX. Look forward to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.